Discover the best mobility scooters designed to enhance mobility and independence for users of all ages. In this video, we'll explore the best mobility scooter options that combine comfort, safety, and user-friendly features. From compact models ideal for urban environments to robust scooters equipped for outdoor adventures, there's a perfect fit for everyone. Join us as we review essential factors to consider, including battery life, weight capacity, and maneuverability, ensuring you make an informed decision. Let's dive in. Links to all products mentioned in this video are in the description below. You can also find more detailed analysis on our website, allaboutthebest.com. Like this video, subscribe our channel, and hit the bell icon for future update. Let's get started with the list. Number 5, Vive 3-wheel, our pick for best budget mobility scooter. Looking for a reliable ride? Meet Glashow S3, the best budget mobility scooter on the market. You'll glide over smooth indoor surfaces and conquer outdoor terrains with ease, thanks to its durable design. This scooter supports up to 265 pounds, making it perfect for many users. Its flat-free 8-inch tires ensure you won't have to worry about pesky punctures. Comfort stands out with the wide, padded 16.9-inch seat. This feature not only cushions your ride, but also swivels for easy entry and exit, so goodbye to back pain struggles. Adjustable armrests add to your comfort, making every ride feel just right. Portability wins big points. Quick assembly into 4 lightweight pieces means a perfect fit in most vehicle trunks. Using the intuitive control panel is effortless. Set your max speed with a simple dial. Need to switch directions or turn on the headlight? Just a button push. While it weighs only 29 pounds, those heavier pieces might be tricky if you struggle with lifting. This scooter truly offers unmatched value for its price, especially when compared to pricier alternatives. Curious? Dive into the world of the Glashow S3 and elevate your mobility experience. Number 4, VOCIC mobility scooters. Our pick for best mobility scooter for adults. Looking for the ultimate ride in mobility? Check out the VOCIC mobility scooter. Its excellent maneuverability shines on both smooth indoor surfaces and bumpy outdoor terrains thanks to its shock-absorbing system. The powerful 180-watt motor delivers seamless acceleration that leaves competitors in the dust. Reaching speeds up to 3.75 miles per hour, you can travel 13 miles on a single charge. Enhanced comfort sets this scooter apart. Its wide, height-adjustable 18-inch padded seat molds to your needs, making entry and exit effortless. Adjustable and reversible armrests add another layer of convenience, ensuring stepping on and off is hassle-free. This design suits individuals under 5.9 feet tall and up to 265 pounds. Safety features impress as well. With anti-tip wheels and electromagnetic braking, you'll feel secure while navigating slopes. A rear-view mirror offers enhanced visibility, ensuring safe reversals. Plus, the built-in headlight and brake reminder functions elevate your nighttime adventures. Transporting this scooter is a breeze. Quick assembly takes under 10 minutes, and disassembly allows for easy storage in standard vehicle trunks. However, managing its weight, 97 pounds, might require an extra set of hands. Overall, VOCIC stands out as the best mobility scooter for adults. Check it out to experience the freedom and comfort it offers. Still looking for the perfect mobility scooters to suit your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. You won't regret it. Number 3, Lagtom 800 watts. 4-wheel, our pick for best value mobility scooter. Ready for a ride that combines fun with functionality? The Lagtom 800-watt 4-wheel electric scooter might just be your best pick. Offering a remarkable 3-speed control, this scooter lets you adjust your pace from 1 mile per hour to 15 miles per hour. It's perfect for those who enjoy a leisurely cruise or a bit of thrill while navigating town. Navigating rough terrains is a breeze. Large 16-inch tires paired with rear shock absorbers absorb bumps effectively. Safety doesn't take a back seat, thanks to anti-tippers and a full lighting system. You'll feel secure while keeping control at your fingertips with the intuitive twist throttle. Comfort stands out with a deluxe reclining captain's seat, complete with folding armrests. A locking glove compartment and spacious rear basket ensure your belongings stay safe. Additional features like a USB charger keep you powered up on the go, while the cup holder guarantees hydration is always handy. Powered by an 800-watt motor and a robust 60-volt 20-amp-hour battery, this scooter outperforms many competitors. You can travel further and faster, with stability ensured by the advanced electronic braking system. One minor drawback is that its size may feel bulky for tight spaces, but the spacious design adds comfort. Overall, this scooter packs impressive features at a competitive price. It's worth checking out if you value comfort and performance. Number 2, SuperHandy 3 Wheel Folding Mobility Scooter. Our pick for best foldable mobility scooter. We recently had the chance to try out the SuperHandy 3-wheel folding mobility scooter, and we were quite impressed by its portability and ease of use. Its collapsible design makes it a breeze to transport, allowing you to take it wherever you go. The clever 3-wheel configuration offers excellent maneuverability, making it easy to navigate tight spaces with a sharp turning radius. One feature that stood out to us is the scooter's swap-and-go battery system, which allows for quick battery changes. That said, there are a few considerations to keep in mind. The scooter has a maximum weight capacity of 275 pounds, which may not accommodate everyone. Additionally, with a range of up to 6.5 miles on a full charge, it might fall short for those needing to travel longer distances. It's also important to note that this scooter is classified as a non-medical device and is not designed to assist with any medical conditions, so individuals with specific medical needs should consider other options. Overall, the SuperHandy 3-wheel folding mobility scooter is an excellent choice for those looking for a lightweight and portable solution for short trips. For longer journeys or specialized needs, though, exploring other options might be best. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1, Glashow S3, our pick for best mobility scooter overall. Ready to take on the world? Look no further than the Glashow S3 mobility scooter. After extensive testing, I can confidently say it stands out as the best mobility scooter overall. Let's talk about range first. With 25 miles on a single charge, you can zip around town without constantly worrying about recharging. This impressive distance beats many similar models, making longer trips a breeze. Rough terrain? No problem. Its sturdy 250-watt brushless motor tackles bumps up to 2.76 inches high, thanks to those solid 9-inch front and 10-inch rear wheels. Whether it's a curb or a gravel path, this scooter doesn't back down. Convenience shines with the 2-step folding mechanism. Weighing only 70.5 pounds, it easily fits in your trunk for spontaneous trips. Safety features impress too. The auto-deceleration technology adjusts speed on inclines, ensuring you feel secure at all times. Plus, the on-seat sensor guarantees safe riding before you hit the road. Control is simple with intuitive handles and a large dashboard. You'll always know your battery status and speed. Sitting comfortably is essential, and the plush 15.75-inch seat with raisable armrests delivers. Variable speed modes let you choose how fast you'd like to go, ensuring a tailored ride. One small note, it might take a moment to get used to its controls. However, once you do, it offers fantastic performance. In summary, the Glashow S3 blends comfort, safety, and convenience for an unbeatable ride. Discover this stellar scooter today. So that wraps up our list of the best mobility scooters. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. Also, let us know in the comments which mobility scooters you like the most. Let's make it happen. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video.